YouTube. It's been a while since I posted a video. Thought I'd show off this interesting thing I found recently at a resale shop. This is a Colt aerial flare kit. And you can see that there. I found this at a resale shop and I bought it for $2. And it turns out to be quite rare and quite valuable. My particular one here, it looks like it was never used. We take a look at this. I mean, this is brand new. It's never been used. You can see here the Colt marking on it. Colt's patent. Okay. From what I understand, this was made sometime in the late 60s. And I understand there was some sort of problem with it because it was considered, they were trying, in 68 when they passed that big gun control act, it was considered to be a short-barreled weapon or something along those lines. But I don't think that it was, kept in that category. It was exempted. Anyways, it's kind of an interesting thing. All the flares are here. It's never been shot. I can tell. I mean, you can tell. Look at that. Brand new. All the original flares. I have it on eBay right now, and it's going to sell. It's right now pricing at, or it's been bid on to $152. It's still got 1 day left. So, a really good find. And I'd never seen one before. This was just pure luck. It was in a box with metal files that I was looking for. And I just thought, well, this is kind of neat. It's Colt. It must be something valuable. And sure enough, like I said, something I paid $2 for at the resale shop is now going to be selling for over $150. So if you ever run across one of these flares, make sure you pick it up. These flare guns, I should say. It's really neat, plastic. I thought about keeping it in my truck, but I realized, well, I've got enough junk, and this will be something else that's going to sit and collect dust and never be used, and I could definitely use the money, with Christmas and all that good stuff. It is a shame. It would have been nice if I'd found 2 of them. Maybe I would have kept one. And with the times we're living in right now, with guns and firearms, like every single firearm is, worth hanging on to if you can. So anyways, short video, just thought I'd show that off. Thought that was pretty neat. Was really shocked to find out how valuable it was, Again, they were made in the late 60s. And again, this is in perfectly good, brand new condition. I mean, just gorgeous. Anyways, so somebody's going to be really happy when they get it. And that will be ending tomorrow, the bidding. So I'll be making money off it tomorrow, and I will be mailing it out probably on Friday or Saturday, probably Saturday, depending when it finishes completely. So anyways, all right, guys, take care. Sorry I haven't been putting my videos up. We've had camera problems here at the Alvarado network, and so we have not been able to put up videos. But we're getting a new camera that should work with our computer, and there'll be more videos on the way. I'm working on a poem right now. I don't know when I'm going to get a chance to perform it. Sometime after Christmas, I imagine. And I'll be working on other things as we go along. All right. Everybody take care. Again, this was the Colt Aerial Flare Kit from the late 60s. Alvarado out. Take care, guys. Have a good one. Enjoy the holidays.